friends, in this video we are going to learn how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook page. As you can see on my screen, I am into my Facebook account, right? We need to switch to our Facebook page first. So for switching to the Facebook page, I will click on the top right corner icon, and here you can see my Facebook page name is getting displayed. I will simply click on it. Now I have been switched to my Facebook page, right? And you need to click on again to the top right icon, and now we need to click on settings and privacy, and again we will click on settings. Now in the left side we need to scroll down, and as you can see there is an option named access and control. We need to click on it, and here you can see there is an option of deactivating your page temporarily. You can simply select it and you need to click on continue, and your page will get deactivated for the temporary time period, right? If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, check out our video description below, and you will find the website link over there. You can simply click on that link and you can explore our course, and you can purchase directly from the website. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.